x minus x square. So first equation is an equation of a straight line passing through origin, and second equation is equation of parabola. Coefficient of x square is negative, so parabola is opening downwards. So we have a rough sketch of the both the line and parabola, which is something like this. Okay. So now we need to find point A and point B so that we can integrate both line and parabola from point C to point B. So for that we will equate equation of line with equation of parabola. We will have mx is equals to x minus x square, or if I transpose, I will be having x square minus x 1 minus m is equals to 0. If I take x common, I will be having x minus 1 minus m is equals to 0. So from here, either x is going to be equal to 0 or x is going to be equal to 1 minus m. So clearly point C is 1 minus m and point B is going to be pure 0. So we need to integrate line and parabola from 1 minus m to 0. So let us integrate parabola y is equals to mx from 1 minus m to 0. We will be having m upon 2 x square from 1 minus m to 0, which is same as m by 2 0 minus 1 minus m whole square upon nothing. So this area will become minus m by 2 1 minus m whole square. Similarly, we are going to integrate parabola from the same region, which is 1 minus m to 0 x minus x square dx, which is x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3, and the limit is varying from 1 minus m to 0. Solving it, we will have 0 minus 1 minus m whole square upon 2 minus 1 minus m whole cube upon 3. Again, we will write it as 1 minus m whole cube upon 3 minus 1 minus m whole square upon 2. So this is our second area from the region 1 minus m to 0. Now, according to question, area of second minus area of first should be equal to 9 by 2. That is, we have 1 minus m whole cube upon 3 minus 1 minus m whole square upon 2 minus of minus m by 2 1 minus m whole square is equals to 9 by 2. Or I can also write it as 1 minus m whole cube upon 3 minus 1 minus m whole square upon 2 plus m by 2 1 minus m whole square is equals to 9 by 2. If I take 1 minus m whole square common from the second and third term, we will be having 1 minus m inside, and on the right hand side we have 9 by 2. So we can take 1 minus m whole cube common from the entire expression. So we will be left with 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 9 by 2. Clearly it is equal to 1 minus m whole cube into minus 1 by 6 is equals to 9 by 2. If we simplify, we will get 1 minus m whole cube is equals to minus 27. Taking under root, cube root on the both side, we will be having 1 minus m is equals to minus 3, or from here you will get m is equals to 4, which is your answer.